Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to create an account on Zara. Creating an account makes your shopping easier and you can save your delivery details, track your orders and get early access to sales. So let's begin and create an account on Zara step by step. First of all, open the Zara application on your device. If you don't have the app yet, go visit your App Store or your Google Play Store and download the app and launch it open. After you're inside the Zara application, follow through the on-screen instructions, allow necessary permissions such as your locations, and once you're inside the home page, click on the human icon at the bottom right. This will take you to account.zara.com website where you can go ahead and log into your existing account or register for a new account. To create a new account, since you don't have one, tap on Register at the bottom. On the next page, fill in some of the personal details such as your email, password, name, and surname. Write down a valid email address you want to access with your account. And once you are done, head over to the password field and type in a strong password. After typing down a strong password, type in your name and then your surname in the respective field. If you want to receive the latest news from Zara via email, tap on this little square box at the bottom and finally click on Create Account. Soon after you do that, you have successfully created an account for yourself on Zara. Once you are done, your account is now ready to be used. You can now start shopping, saving addresses, and tracking orders easily. That's how you can easily create a new account on Zara. Now you can explore the latest fashion collections and shop online with ease. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.